wiggle them just like this. Wiggle them just like this. And throw your hand. Teacher. Alright. Before you take your seat, kindly pick some piece of paper under your armchair and put it in our trash bin. You may now take your seats. Thank you. Is there anyone absent today, class? None, teacher. So before we proceed our informal discussion, I have here the classroom rules that you need to follow. Everybody, kindly read our classroom rules. Listen carefully. Engage actively. Ask questions. Respect everyone. Never interrupt. Okay, this is our classroom rules that you need to follow throughout our day. Understood? Yes, teacher. Okay. So today, class, I have your activity game that you need. I have your activity game which called TikTok word game. So all you're gonna do is you need to combine two pictures and you need to guess it what the pictures are pertaining to. And do you understood? Yes, teacher. Right. So here's the example. So ear plus ring is equals to earring. Alright, we get it now. So next, let's begin now. Here is the first picture. Rock cycle. Okay, very good, rock cycle. How about this one? Instant news. Instant news. Another? Malapit ka sa katotohanan. IG plus news. Genius. Siret. That is fake news. IG plus news, which is fake news. Another one. How about this one? Metamorphic. Wow, very good. Metamorphic. Ano ka naman? How about this one? Physics class. Physics class. Look. May mga students. This is an elementary. CD class. Yes. Sedimentary. Very good. Sedimentary. Okay. So class, I have a question. Based on our activity, what would be our topic today? Yes, Maris? Teacher, I guess our topic this morning is all about rock cycle. Wow, very good, Maris. You got it right. So, class, have you ever wondered how rocks transform and change over time? Have you ever wondered how rocks are transformed? Sumagi pa sa iyong kaisipan kung paano ba mag-transform ang rocks to another kind of rocks? Yes or no? 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 Okay. 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 Alright. We will discuss it today for you to understand our lesson today, how rocks are formed into another kind of rocks. So our topic today is all about rock cycles. So but before we proceed our formal discussion, I want you all to read our learning objectives.
Early for the next period. Tatlo sila.
So I have a question, guys. So what can you say about the layers of the earth? Anyone? Jerry?
All I can say is that the layers of the earth is not that broad. Like the outer core is liquid, while the inner core is solid. Like I have a question to you solid while the outer core is weak.
I think, like, pareho ba sa ano nga? Pinaka and pinaka-center good is, and foundation is marigod, strong, para and there is nga magiging babaw pa is matatag siya. Based lang sa akong idea.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, thank you, Jerry. Thank you for your idea. It's a very, very good and excellent idea. So, each layers has distinct composition and characteristics and functions. So, those layers are working together to form our planet. To form our planet. Asya, to say yan. Para ma-form So,
Ipidilit
do
na
you
yun.
have any questions asked? None, teacher. Okay. So, since there is no question, let's have an activity. So, the class will be divided into two groups. This would be the group 1 and this would be the group 2. So, for your activity, you have to draw the layers of the earth and label each layer and choose one of your member for the presentation. Okay?
Wait, next one na second then.
Okay, class, work your activity na. Okay, class, go to your perfect circle.
Medyo manipis. Medyo manipis.
We're done, teacher. Okay, are you done? Group 1? Not yet, teacher. Okay. So, since group
Gawa namin natin po sa directions po ng na activity para po sa mga dito. So, we draw the layers of the earth. So, this is the crust, yung pinakamanipis dito sa ibabaw. Followed by the mantle, yung pinakamakapal sa parte ng planeta natin. Then, we have here the core, the outer core. Ito yung outer core and there is the inner core. So, yung core natin is, kumbaga, nandun yung pinakamainit na parte ng mundo natin.
Group 1, 90% your work na. Good morning, ma'am and classmates. So we draw here the earth and we label the lower layers of the earth. So we have here the crust and the mantle and the outer core and the inner core. Okay, thank you, class. So let's give ourselves a